What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video we're going to be installing an ARB dual compressor under the hood of our Ford Bronco. To mount the ARB compressor, we'll be using the KR Off-Road ARB compressor engine bay mount designed for the Ford Bronco. This bracket is made of 10 gauge 304 stainless steel that is powder coated black for a durable finish. It is designed in a way that can accommodate both the single and twin ARB compressors and utilizes OEM mounting points to make install super simple. And yes, this will work for both the 2.3 and 2.7 liter Broncos. When wiring the twin compressor to the factory auxiliary switches, like we did here, you will have to modify harness number 2 that is provided with the compressor. You will need to find the purple wire inside the harness and then crimp it to the upfitter wire using the included connector. When hooking up harness 1 to the battery, we recommend using a ring terminal for a secure connection. So now that we've got our ARB compressor mounted under the hood using the KR Off-Road bracket, we are going to demonstrate it in operation using the ARB pump-up kit. This kit lets you air up your tires no matter where you are to give you that flexibility to dominate the trail. When off-roading, you may find yourself in a situation that requires you to drop the PSI on your tires to levels that are unsafe for extended street driving. You can purchase the ARB pump-up kit or use your own solution to inflate one or multiple tires simultaneously. Alright guys, that's going to just about wrap up this video. As you can see, we just installed the ARB dual compressor under the hood of our Ford Bronco using the KR Off-Road engine bay mount. This compressor can be a lifesaver for you out on the trails when you need to air up your tires after airing down for tricky obstacles. So if you're into wheeling, we highly recommend getting this mod. And if you want to pick it up, I'll go ahead and put the link for it in the description below. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you want to see more Bronco content just like this, make sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell clicked. And if you guys have a comment, drop it below. Thanks for watching.